After conducting a trial test on figures of speech, I found out the common errors committed by the takers. In this video, I will review the items so that these errors may be avoided in the real exam. The hired hands were not happy with how they were compensated. What figure of speech is used in the sentence? Euphemism, metonymy, personification, synecdoche. The answer for this item is obviously synecdoche because hired hands stand for people. Hands are parts of the body. The White House said the elderly will be given more priority in business offices is an example of blank, ascenditon, hyperbole, metonymy, synecdoche. You may easily exclude ascenditon as an option because there are no omitted conjunctions or words that may be replaced with a comma or any punctuation. It cannot be a hyperbole, for there is no exaggeration in the statement. You will just decide whether it is a metonymy or synecdoche, the two which are often interchanged. The answer for the item is metonymy because the White House is associated with the highest position in the government or the president, which is an example of a paradox. Spare moments are the gold dust of time. He has muscles of iron. I should die of homesickness at home. The poor workman has 10 mouths to feed. In this item, we need to look for a figure of speech that tells about opposites. We can say that the first option is an example of metaphor. The second is a hyperbole. The last is a synecdoche. Of course, the answer is the third option. Homesickness at home? What figure of speech is present in the statement, "She is the only rose among the thorns"? Apostrophe, metaphor, personification, simile. I thought this item would be so easy for the takers. Of course, the answer for this is metaphor. Why? She is directly compared to a rose, and thorns are directly compared to others. The statement may simply mean that she is the only girl among the boys. What a complete comparison! Oh mountain, speak to me. This is an example of blank, apostrophe, ascenditon, metonymy, synecdoche. How could we get any better answer than apostrophe? The speaker in a given statement calls the mountain like a living creature or thing. If you just understand it, it's definitely an easy one. Learn more, get better results. You should watch my video on figures of speech again. Here is a quotation about making a mistake. When you make a mistake, there are only 3 things you should ever do about it. Admit it, learn from it, and don't repeat it. By Paul Bear Bryant.